Dear learner, today we are going to discuss about key control system. First, key system is there are two types of key systems followed: conventional and or traditional key system and electronic key code system. First one is conventional or traditional key system. This is the most widely used system and is still in use. The following are the types of key used. One is emergency key, second one is master key, which includes grand master key, pass key, master keys, submaster or selection master keys, floor master keys. Third one is room key. Fourth one is supply keys. Next one is electric code key system. There are now electronic code system is place of traditional keys. A electronic code key is a computer encoded plastic key which offers maximum security as on can program a different code for each guest. The computer is programmed to print out a different number of each time to room is let. The room number is selected randomly and can be any number between 1 to several million. The door locks is linked to the computer and will open only when the code will the new codes is inserted in the slot. The new code automatically cancel all previous codes. The code system enable one to change the combination at will and issue new codes. Roommates and housekeeping staffs are issued a submaster keys code which is programmed for the number of rooms in each section. In most countries, security systems are very carefully studied and treated seriously. In our country also, these types of electronic code keys are being used in many hotels to offer maximum security. Next one is advantages of electronic code system. It ensures complete security since the loss of the key has no repercussions on the room security. No number rooms is printed on the card. Hence, if someone finds the key, it is of no use to him. The lock combinations too can be changed with the easy by issuing a new keys in the eventually of the loss of the key. At the time of the issue, more than one key can be given to the guest if there is doubt occupancy in the room. It is possible to trace the receptionist who issues the room's key by the printout at the end of the day. An alarm is set off if the wrong keys is inserted in the slot, thereby alerting security. In the housekeeping department, different keys are used for the proper functionings of the department. Before starting the daily routine duties, different keys are issued to different members of the department according to their duties and their area of work and responsibilities. From the security points of view, the keys are very important for the security of guests, belongings and hotel property. So the keys are issued to the responsible person before the shift starts and is received back at the end of the shift, and the key register is signed every time for receiving and issuing of keys. All the keys are handled carefully and a proper control system is maintained by front office and housekeeping department respectively. Entry of keys is done in a register before issuing and also after receiving it back so as to ensure proper check and control over keys. It is necessary for security reasons and to avoid any theft and mishaps, etc. Room keys are taken care by the front office department. Section submaster keys, pass keys, floor master keys are handled by the housekeeping department by Desk control. Emergency keys, grandmaster keys is generally held by the general manager, executive housekeeper, room division manager or duty manager. Extreme care is taken while handling these keys. Next one is uses of emergency keys. Emergency keys can also open double locked doors, and there are instances where it is necessary. For example, most hotels have a rule stated the checkout time is 12 o'clock noon, and when the hotel is expected to be full at night. But if a guest is out and has not packed, then usually the hotel will double lock his door with the emergency or grandmaster key. Ensure that he cannot enter his room when the guest contact reception. He is requested to check out. If necessary, the hotel packs and removes guest luggages. Again, guests who stay for a long time in a hotel usually settle their bills weekly, but when their credit has crossed a certain amount, then generally they are left a note asking them to settle their accounts. If they ignore the note, generally the hotel double locks the door against ensure that they have to contact the front office for an explanations. Used as a precautionary measures in cases of an emergency, for example illness and injury, used when across to the rooms as to be prevented, for example in case of death. It is held by the security officer, general manager, duty manager, and sometimes by the executive housekeeper. In almost all the hotels, the door of the guest rooms get automatically locked when they are closed. Inside the door knob, there is a small button which, when pressed, the rooms gets double locked and it is hotel staffs cannot enter the room. Some hotels also provide chain from inside the doors for extra security at night for the guest. Thank you very much for watching.